Saira from Webitech. Today I'll guide you how you can take backup of your Google Workspace account. Google Workspace used to store the most critical data of your organization. Data loss can hold your business operations. It is very important to take backup of your data regularly in your local machines. You have three options to take backup of your Google Workspace account.
This option will help you to migrate all your Google Workspace, emails, Drive, photos to another Gmail account. Log into your Google Workspace account. Go to manage your Google account settings. You will see the option on the main screen to transfer your content. If it is not available in your Google Workspace edition, skip to step 2. When you click Start Transfer, you will see this window. Enter your personal Gmail account here or create a new one to start transfer. After entering the Gmail ID, you will get the verification code on your destination account. At the end, you have to select the content that you need to migrate. All your Google Workspace data will remain safe during and after backup. Step 2. This is my most favorite option because you will get some auto backup facility in this method. Sign into your Google Workspace account. Open a new tab and enter takeout.google.com. On this screen, select the Google service which you need to take backup. Press Next. Choose the delivery method. It's better to choose link via email option. After that, you have to set the frequency of your backup. You can export once or schedule your backups. Select the file type, .zip is preferred. Now select the storage of your file. Better to choose 50 GB. So you will get single file of your backup. Now click Create Export. It may take hours or maybe days to export the file as per data volume. You will get the email when your backup is ready. When you will get confirmation, open takeout.google.com again and download your exported file. Please note that you will get your mailbox backup in Mbox extension. You can use Microsoft tools to convert Mbox to PST, or you can use Mbox file in Thunderbird. Step 3. You can also take backups of your emails using any third-party mailing app, for example Outlook, Apple Mail or Thunderbird. To do that, log into your Google Workspace account. Click on Manage your Google account. Go to Security and turn on Less Secure App Access. After that, go to your inbox, click on Settings tab and then click See All Settings. Now click on Forwarding and POP option and enable POP. You should choose Enable POP for all mail to backup complete mailbox data. Now you can configure your third-party mailing app. For configuration instructions, click here. It is recommended to configure Outlook on all your employee PCs so they can sync their mailboxes regularly. Your users can also use Gmail if they have configured their account with any third-party mailing app.
I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.